Hello everybody, Tech here and welcome to my new video. So as you can see here in front of me is my new Aprilla SR 150, and I quickly wanted to talk to you guys about the Aprilia Connectivity App and show you the features of the various things that this app can do. So let's get started. So this is the app itself here right in front of me. The green colored vehicle indicates here that the Bluetooth is connected to the phone. So let's have a look at the few options here, which is Find Me. So the Find Me feature lets you find your vehicle when you are in a parking space and your vehicle is connected via Bluetooth. So let's look at that in action. So I'm going to press the Find Me button now, and as you can see, the vehicle beeps a couple of times or sounds the horn a couple of times along with the flashlight or the indicator. The next feature here is the Follow Me option. So pressing on Follow Me here will light up the indicators for a few seconds to illuminate a dark space for you to navigate yourself. So let's have a look at that in action. And you can see that the app is still running the lights, and that's about it. So the next feature is Navigate Me. So like you can see here right now, my phone doesn't have any network, so this feature doesn't really work if there is no network coverage. So if you're in a basement with no network, then it might be very difficult. So what this does is it stores the last location of your vehicle on your phone, and then it allows you to navigate yourself to find your vehicle. So if I press on this right now, it's going to open Google Maps up for me. But like I said, this is not going to really work. So let's exit out of this. So the next feature here is Share My Bike, which apparently you can share your bike with others with the help of a QR code. So I haven't really tried that so far, so I will update you guys once I have more information on it. The next important thing, or the next beneficial thing here about this app is the My Aprilia option here. So if I press that, you can see something called as vehicle info here. So here you can look at your last trip details, and you can see things like the start and end time of the trip, the distance covered, the max speed, the average speed, etc. So that's about it, guys. A quick short video about this connectivity app for the new Aprilla SR 150. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye bye.